Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Facebook photos and videos before deleting your account. So let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account. Now click on the drop-down icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now click on Privacy, then go to Your Facebook Information. From there, select Download Profile Information. Now enable the photos and videos options that you want to save and then click on Create File. Once the file is ready, you can simply download it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.